Welcome students. In this video I'll be talking about the square of a binomial. So we're going to work with 5 exercises that will help us understand how to expand this when we have something that looks like this. So let's say you have something that looks like this, a plus b square. So and then you want to expand this, then you gotta use the formula as follows. So a plus b square, that is gonna be equal to a square plus 2ab plus b squared. So let's get to exercise number 1. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. So it is x plus 6 squared. So let's identify what is a in this example. So a in this case is equal to x and b is equal to 6. Okay, so x plus 6 squared is going to be equal to a squared, which is x. It's going to be squared, so that's x squared, then plus 2 times a, which is x, times 6, so that will be 12x plus, and what is b? 6 squared, which is equal to 36. So it's a good idea to first write what is a and what is b. Let's go to exercise number 2. It says that 3y plus 2 squared. So in this case, a is equal to 3y and b is equal to 2. Okay, so now we're gonna write 3y plus 2 squared. That's gonna be equal to, what is a squared? So that's gonna be 3y squared. That's equal to 3y squared plus 2 times 3y times 2 plus b squared, which is 2 squared. Okay, so now let's solve it. That's going to be equal to 9y squared plus 12y, then plus 4. So let's go to exercise number 3. It says that 4a minus 5, we're going to square it. So we're going to identify a. So a is going to be equal to 4a and b is equal to negative 5 in this case. So don't confuse this a here. Just notice that a in reality is going to be the whole thing, 4a. Okay, so now so we're gonna write 4a minus 5 squared. That's gonna be equal to a squared. So it's gonna be equal to 4a squared plus 2 times 4a plus b, which is negative 5, plus b squared, which is negative 5 squared. So the whole thing, that's gonna be equal to 16a squared minus 40a plus 25. Okay, now let's go to exercise number 4. This exercise number 4 says that 2m plus 7, we have to square it. So let's identify a. So a in this case is 2m, and b is equal to positive 7. So we write 2m plus 7 square is going to be equal to 2m square plus 2 times 2m times 7 plus b square, which is 7 square. Okay, now that's going to be equal to 2m square. That's going to be equal to 4m square. And then the middle term is going to be 2 times 2, that's 4 times 7, that's 28, and then m plus 7 squared, that's 49. Okay, so let's go to exercise number 5, our last example. So let's identify what is a and b. A in this case is going to be equal to 5p, and b is going to be equal to -1. Okay, so we're doing 5p minus 1 square. So a square is equal to 5p square plus 2 times a, which is 5p, times b, which is -1, plus b squared, so that's -1 square. Now we're going to do the final calculation. So 5p squared is going to be equal to 25p squared, and then 2 times the middle term is 2 times 5 is 10 times -1, that's -10p, and then -1 squared, that's just 1. And that concludes our video for today. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.